Good morning, students. In previous classes, you have learned about how to prove the BPT theorem and its converse. Today, I am going to discuss some problem based on BPT or Thales theorem and its converse. Some important question in NCERT book I have given in the last of the lesson. You will try to solve. Now, first question is, in the given figure, if PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR and angle PST is equal to angle PRQ, prove that PQR is an isosceles triangle. Now, how will you solve such types of questions? You have to remind BPT and its converse. Already in BPT converse you have read a PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR. In by converse of BPT, ST is parallel to QR. But therefore, angle PST is equal to angle PQR. How? Corresponding angles. In corresponding angles, our two parallel lines are equal. But given in the question PST is equal to PRQ. So, angle PRQ is equal to angle PQ. Hence, PR is equal to PQ is equal to PR. How? Side opposite to equal angles are equal. So, PQR is an isosceles triangle. Second question. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by BO, so that ABCD is a trapezium. How will you solve it? First you have to draw a quadrilateral ABCD. Then given ABCD is a quadrilateral whose diagonals are AC and ED intersect at point O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by BO. To prove ABCD is a trapezium. In the triangle ADC, find out where is triangle ADC? That is angle AD and C. Draw OE parallel to DC. Then by BPT, you know that AE by ED is equal to AO by OC. But given AO by CO is equal to BO by DO. So, AE by ED is equal to BO by DO, imply DE by EA is equal to BO by DO. By the converse of BPT, EO is parallel to AB. Now, EO is parallel to AB, is parallel to DC. It means ABCD is a trapezium. Why? DC is DC parallel to AB. We know that any quadrilateral, if one pair of opposite sides are parallel, then it is a trapezium. Now, come on, some criteria for solving two triangles. Criteria for similarity of two triangles. Already you have read in previous class. Again I am repeating. Why? To learn how many criteria for the similarity. It is useful for next lesson and next class. First is AA similarity. What is AA similarity? Two given triangles ABC and DEF. Two given triangle ABC and triangle DEF. If angle A is equal to D, angle B is equal to E, then triangle AB is similar to triangle DEF. This is called AA similar. Or AAA similar triangle also. Both are the same. We can say that two triangles are two angular, hence they are similar. Second is SSS similarity. side, side, side. Two given triangles. I have given an example, triangle PQR and XYZ. If PQ by XY is equal to QR by YZ equal to PR by ZX. It means corresponding sides are proportional. If two triangles whose corresponding sides are proportional, then it is similar. So here is given triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ. Now third, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, if angle A is equal to B and AB by DE is equal to AC by DF, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Two sides and one adjacent angle, and A and D are adjacent angle, both are equal, and AB, DE are proportional, AC and DF are proportional. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This criteria is called ASAS similarity criteria. When going to solve other question and chapter topic, in NCERT book, see the exercise 6.3, question number 4, question number 7, question number 10, 13, 14 and 16 are very important for the examination point of view. First you have to try to solve the question. If you have any doubt, any problem, you consult your math teacher to solve it. Okay. Now, right.